Across the United States, there is a mental health crisis. Massachusetts is no exception, with suicide being the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 34. We are Neighborhood Counseling and Community Services. We were founded in the city of Somerville, Massachusetts, to address the lack of affordable and accessible mental health services in the community. At NCCS, our motto is a place for everyone, and that is our goal: to provide accessible counseling services to as many individual children, youth, adults, families, and groups as we can. We value client-centered care, meeting people where they are, and bringing evidence-based best practices to our work. Right now, 46.2% of people living with mental illness in Massachusetts don't receive any type of care. Why? Research shows that the barriers to accessing mental health services include difficulty finding providers who take your insurance, difficulty finding providers who are in locations accessible to you, difficulty finding providers who have available appointments, or difficulty finding providers who have expertise for specific mental health challenges. Everyone needs help sometimes. Maybe you have seen friends, siblings, parents, or your children experiencing a mental health crisis. It is very hard to walk through the anguish of watching someone you love or care about being unable to access potentially life-saving services. At NCCS, we are working hard to address these needs by accepting more insurances than most practices, and by providing an internship program that provides stipends to counseling students who are members of underrepresented groups in the mental health field, who in turn provide free counseling services to clients in need. Your donation today will help us to hire more clinicians, to create more culturally competent and specific groups, to help vulnerable populations in our area, to expand our internship program providing more young clinicians of color and linguistic ability stipends, and to provide more low-cost or free counseling services.
Mental health is one of the most underfunded areas of healthcare in the United States, and yet one of the most needed. Please give as generously as you can to the cause of community mental health services for adults, adolescents, and kids in times of trouble. And please stay involved and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and watch how your donation is put to work providing these critical services. Thank you and take care.